My name is Jenny Moshe, and I'm the head of technology at Sellen Construction. Sellen was founded in 1944. We're one of the largest GCs in the Pacific Northwest, and we're world-renowned for our iconic skyline projects in Seattle. Our purpose is to improve the lives of others as builders, partners, and neighbors, and technology is a big part of that. Part of how we go about bringing technology solutions to the forefront at Sellen is through our operational excellence and how we look at workflows and processes. Sellen's digital core is a centralized portfolio of all the apps we use to build great. So to create Sellen's digital core, I really focused on the workflows and places where there was friction. With every new project kickoff, the technology team heads to the actual project site and we meet with the project team to kick off the Sellen digital core for that project. And so we walk through the applications and the associated relationships and the timing and sequencing of what digital core apps will be used when. Autodesk Construction Cloud has dramatically streamlined our collaboration with third parties, and for the first time bringing people together in the BIM 360 world. The thing that you never realize is that the file save, download, and upload process is tremendously taxing on our teams. We've brought the process down 75% from the exchange of data into a single platform in real time. We can be more collaborative with our partners. It's just a matter of working off the same version of the truth throughout the project, which saves everybody time. In bringing new technology, there's often a learning curve, but that has been significantly reduced with Autodesk Construction Cloud. The core apps are very natural for folks already, so it's a very familiar place to engage. And it helps people communicate better and have more accurate data that everybody's working off of.